Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas McNeil area? If you are looking for an auto body shop in Cedar Park's McNeil area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park Texas McNeil service. Auto body repairs estimates. Getting your car taken care of is a wise method to keep your vehicle going, particularly if it's been in a mishap. It can truly save you money as well as time. Nevertheless, understanding where to take your vehicle for repair services is a tough choice. You wish to make certain that you are getting high-quality repair service at an affordable expense. There are lots of things to search for when selecting an automobile body repair shop. If your vehicle needs repair service, discover exactly how to select the best vehicle repair shop for your automobile. Lots of automobile body shops supply a choice of services that include paint retouch, paintless dent removal, wheel rim repair work service, bumper repair service, windshield repair service, as well as more. You must start looking by asking around or dropping into regional automobile body repair shops. Learn what type of work they do, the length of time it will take to complete the repair services, how much it will cost you, as well as the type of process they utilize to take care of vehicles, as well as anything else you may believe is very important. Below are a few more things to try to find. Try to find a shop that supplies a wide variety of services. By doing this, every one of your automobile body demands can be satisfied at the exact same place, as well as dealt with by the exact same licensed expert. You will be saving money as well as time getting it all done at one place. Something to take a look at is the length of time the repair shop has been in business. This is not a sole indicator. However, if the shop has been around for a long time, it is likely that they are trusted as well as must do a great task on your automobile. Make certain that you authorize of the high quality of work that the automobile body shop creates. You wish to get the repair service done the proper way the first time. It is totally appropriate to ask the shop to see instances of the work they have formerly done. This will provide you the best concept of what to expect. Despite the fact that high quality is among the most considerable things you are trying to find, you will wish to get a great cost also. Do not just select the very first shop. Search around as well as compare as well as contrast all elements of their service, then choose the one you feel fits you as well as your vehicle. Make the effort as well as discover the ideal automobile body repair shop that will not only fix your vehicle, however treat you like the client who is always ideal as well as wants his vehicle done right. Complete auto body near me for Cedar Park, Texas McNeil. Visit a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas McNeil area to get your car back on the road today. This is a page on auto body shop in Cedar Park McNeil. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.